In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book 5-star hotel in Skyscanner. Open your browser and head to the Skyscanner website. When the homepage loads, you'll be on the main dashboard. Along the top menu, look for the hotels option and click it. This switches you from flights to the hotel search tool, which is where we'll set everything up for a 5-star stay. Start in the search box by typing the city or area you want to visit. Take a second to confirm you've selected the right destination if there are similar place names. Next, choose your check-in date on the calendar, then your checkout date. If your dates are flexible, remember that shifting by a day or two can change availability and prices. Now set how many guests are traveling and how many rooms you'll need. Make sure the guest count matches your plans. This helps ensure accurate room types and pricing. When everything looks good, click search. You'll land on the results page. On the left-hand side, you'll see the filter panel. Click filters to expand more options. Scroll until you find hotel star rating. Here, check the box for 5 stars. Skyscanner will refresh the results to show only 5-star properties that match your dates and party size. Give the page a moment to update, then browse the refined list. When you spot a hotel you like, click Go to Site. Skyscanner will redirect you to a partner booking page where you can often see additional room types, special deals, or more detailed information for that property. Take your time here. Browse and select the 5-star hotel and room that best fits your needs. Open the hotel's details to review photos, amenities, location, and guest ratings. It's also smart to check the fine print, look at cancellation policies, whether breakfast is included, and any deposit or resort fees. Once you're satisfied, click Book on the partner site to proceed. You'll be asked to enter the guest's personal details. Type names exactly as they appear on identification, add contact information, and include any relevant preferences if the form provides a notes or request field. When the details are complete, continue to payment. Before you pay, review the total price, taxes, and fees, confirm the dates and room type, and double-check the cancellation terms. Then finalize the booking to lock in your 5-star hotel. That's it. Using Skyscanner's filters and partner links, you can quickly find and secure a luxury stay with confidence.